Alright guys, welcome to Our Life in the Philippines and to part 2 of the Capas Memorial. We're going to walk around the property a little bit, take you around and show you what's here and show you a little bit of the history of the Second World War in the Philippines. We are going to come down here and take a look at one of the means of transportation, how they transported these prisoners of war up to the concentration camp up here in Capas. It has a lot of history. And again, many people sort of come under the travel to the destination, and we're going to try to give you a little bit of insight on that. I am by no means a specialist, but let's go in here and have a look. Train carriage that carried the soldiers up here, and they closed the doors, and many, according to history, suffocated in these things. Lack of oxygen and a lot of other things. This is the train that went from San Fernando up here to Capas. And that's how they came up here, the last. The death march claimed many lives. Yeah, we know that. They had walked 105 kilometers from Mariveles in Bagac, Bataan, under intense April heat. And they were gathered up in San Fernando and loaded into these boxcars that you just saw. Used to transport Filipina American prisoners of war, the defenders of Bataan, the corregidor from San Fernando, It was one of many freight cars, railroad company before the World War II, measuring about 6 feet long, 8 feet wide, 6 feet high, had wooden walls and metal roof. A larger version made of steel was 33 feet long, 7 feet high, and 8 feet wide. This boxcar is the last known surviving freight car of its kind, and it is a mute witness to the human sacrifice and heroism of all those who were victims of the Bataan death march. It serves as a memorial to the horrors of war and to man's inhumanity to his fellow man. That's crazy. Alright, so, okay, let's move on. We're going to go down here and look too. And again, trees are numbered. And what do we got in here? That's kind of another memorial or something.
Good over here also because fresh air.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Oh, we can go there also. That area.
I don't know what's down there. That one says Defenders Hall. Yeah, we can go inside there. But let's go down and check this out. This is interesting also. Some stone and concrete monument with a lot of names on it, it looks like. Decrees and other things. United States and Philippine Armed Forces gave registration units, started moving the remains of the buried dead to the United States Military Cemetery in Fort Bonanfico, Makati, Metro Manila, where their mortal remains finally were laid to rest in peace. This memorial stands as an indelible reminder that freedom and liberty can only be won when we, the living, are willing to offer our lives and make the supreme sacrifice for the honor and glory of our country. That might be something Americans need to think about today. So this is like prisoner of war. These are POW groups. Formally number 2, July 42, 7th June to 18th of July. So they came in groups apparently. Came in big groups. So, alright, so let's go and see what's going on the other side here. Yeah, I think so. All right, so this is they call it the Battling Bastards of Bataan. Filipino flag, American flag. And this part appears to be what says on the sign itself. In memory of the American dead, O'Donnell War Personnel Enclosure, Omnia Pro Patria.
Soldier.
Yeah, so this is some, I don't know how many names are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 13 is what? 65, right? Yep, 65. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, this is closer to 3,000-4,000 names for sure here.
Yeah.
Could be more also. That's a lot. And these are all American names. Morehouse, William Morehouse, Edward Morgan, Paul Mullen, Harry Murray, Frank Murphy, just to mention a few. is incredible. And I'm not so sure you should walk on the grass. Nice getting a little breeze. Alright, so I don't know what's in there, but we can go and look. It looks like it's a picture library of some sort. Defenders Hall, yeah. So we can go inside and take a little look. Walk down the concrete trail here. Oh yeah, it is photographs from the Second World War and the Death March. I think this building shifted in the earthquake. The tile is up. Yeah, then we have some more here. Alright, so should we go? Yeah, that one is pretty authentic for what really was.
So this is the guerrillas Filipino join and help prisoner escape. So
Right.
that's why they killed.
But you can see the ones that are on the ground, you can
Yeah.
see they're just bones, skin
Skinny.
and bones.
Yeah.
that was starvation was one of the things that was really rampant, and they barely got any water to drink during the march. All right, guys. We are going to wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed that, a little piece of history.
Yes.
And you know, you feel a big reverence when you're here.
Yeah, it feels like you feel what they're suffering.
Yeah.
When you came here in this area.
Yeah, you get reminded of it.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you like our videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching, and for now, bye bye.
Bye.